morning. How are you all? Hope you're doing good. See, listen, children. Last class, we have seen about three different types of family, right? The first one is single parent family. The second one is nuclear family. And the third one is joint family. So, single parent family means the children either they would be with father or mother. That is called single parent family. And here nuclear family means where father and mother with their children. This is called nuclear family. And the third one we have seen about the big family, that is joint family, where we have parents, grandparents, uncle and aunt, as well as the cousins. So all together we call it as joint family. And today we are going to see about one more interesting topic. Do you know what it is? It is about how and what are the changes are happening in our family. Yes or no, children? Daily there are some changes happening. What are the changes? Let us see. Let me zoom in. Yeah. So today we are going to see about working parents as well as changes in the family. So these two topics we are going to cover it today. First, let us look into working parents. Why do parents are always working? What is the reason behind it? Yeah, children, you are been educating yourself in a big school. Yes or no? So parents has to work hard to earn money. That's why always parents are at work. Yes or no, children? Very good. Here they wanted to manage household task. So like getting accessories, glossaries, whatever is needed for the home, they have to manage their earning, right? That's why parents are always going for a work. The next one, they wanted to meet family needs. It may be like if you wanted to go for a tour, or if you wanted to purchase any toys, or if you wanted to buy some foodies. That's why parents are working. So these are called as family needs. So now we have covered up the topic of working parents. Next, let us look into changes in family. What are the changes are happening in our daily family? Look, first one, that is new products. Buying some new products or pet animals will make us so happy. Yes or no? Now imagine Amma is buying a study table or a a favorite toy for your playing time. So will you feel happy or sad? Automatically we feel happy. As well as if they buy pet animal, that could make us so happy. And the second one is shifting of home. Sometimes due to some family situation or due to some space occupied this time, so families are being shifted from one place to another home. That's why there is a lot of work. At the time we will may feel sad sometimes. And some changes like bad haircut, this will make us angry. So we have to accept whatever the changes happens in our life. Are you getting the point, children? So always our family, if you are being with family, what will happen? They will share and care us. Yes or no? So parents and our family members always share and care their, what all they will share? Love, care, thankfulness and happiness. These are the feelings which we share. Yes or no, children? But always there is another side of parents where they work hard and complete the need for our family. So this is the point we have covered it today. Thank you, my dear children.